Electrostatic flying flower. Hello. Professor Liu Bingsheng's latest book. There's an experiment on page 80. The name of this experiment is Electrostatic Flying. The operation of the experiment with electrostatic flying flowers in it. Analysis of principles. Take a look here, and Mr. Tang Zuping, the high school affiliated to Nanjing Normal University. Illustrations of experiments conducted. The magic of this experiment is to give him, combined with friction air cushion and the principle of induction air cushion. Make people feel simple. It feels magical again. In conjunction with Professor Liu, after many improvements by teacher Tang, today I'm going to present the latest experimental improvement. All along, metal discs are used to make static flying flowers. And today, I improved it into a round metal box. Metal box relative to metal plate. There's a lot less tip. There is no need to polish too much. An insulating screw sticks out from the inside of the box. Screw on the insulated handle. Plastic plates are placed on the table. The plastic tray is connected to a ground wire. Throw the chain of the grounding wire to the ground. If the insulation of the ground is too good, you can pour some tap water on the chain. Wool rubbing plastic discs. The wool belt is punctual. Plastic disc with vol point. Metal core proximity laws. The lower surface of the metal core is positively charged. The surface of the metal core is negatively charged. The metal core hits the ground wire. In this way, the negative electricity at the far end is introduced to the ground. On the surface, evenly sprinkle paper flowers. Paper flowers don't splash. Explain that the upper surface is not charged. Lift the metal box. The positive box on the lower surface quickly re-announced, so that the upper and lower surfaces are equipped with the same kind of positive electric box, including small paper flowers on the upper surface. It also comes with the same electric box. The same kind of electric boxes repel each other, so the paper flowers on the metal box, flying away in all directions,